Both the roots and the flowers of this plant can be used to make a dandelion drink to purify your body and also care for your bones. Today's video will discuss how to make dandelion drink for bone care. After a long day of working or studying, you might feel a bit achy. If you've spent many hours on your feet before you get home, then probably your knees and other joints are in a bit of pain. 1. What is dandelion? The dandelion belongs to the Asteraceae family, and its scientific name is Taraxacum officinale. Many people consider it to be a weed that grows in the hills. 2. What are the properties of dandelion? The health benefits and potential uses of dandelion for the human body are little disputed in medical circles. One of the best properties is that it's a detoxifying plant and is therefore recommended in the later stages of a detox. The vitamins it contains include vitamin B and C, as well as minerals, potassium, oleic acid, and linoleic acid. It's also known to be very beneficial for keeping your liver and gallbladder in good condition. It's even recommended for alcohol-induced hangovers or treating aggravated constipation. 3. What can this drink be used for? Dandelion's many uses mean that it can be used to treat many different pains and conditions. One important one is acne. This is because dandelion is very effective at removing impurities from the skin. The kidneys and bladder also benefit greatly from this plant. Dandelion has diuretic properties which can help these organs when they are in pain. Dandelion drink for bone care. You can buy dandelion either chopped or ground, or you can make the drink from the stalks of the plant. To treat bone pain, you should drink this drink every day or every other day. This way, you'll see the results quickly. Ingredients: 1 cup of chopped dandelion roots, 100 grams, 1 cup of chopped dandelion flowers, 100 grams, 2 cups of water, 500 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 15 milliliters. How to make it? 1. First, chop the stalks and the flowers. It's crucial that they're dry. 2. Then, fry them in a little oil for a few minutes. 3. Next, toast them or cook them in an oven for a very short amount of time so that they acquire color and flavor. 4. Heat the water, and when it's boiling, add the stalks and flowers and leave them to infuse for 5 minutes. 5. Finally, when the drink has acquired color, remove from the heat. Strain, sweeten to taste, and drink. This dandelion drink is a great alternative for people who want to treat bone pain. Dandelion is one of your best friends when it comes to dealing with joint problems. How you take care of your bone, let me know in our comments section below.